Alright, so you guys wanted a video of the exhaust, and I thought I would do one. I already did a couple shots from outside with the GoPro and a startup with my good camera and good microphone, but I'm also going to do some interior shots just so you guys can hear the drone and everything. It does drone on the freeway, by the way, around 2,000, between 2,000 and 3,000 RPMs. It isn't horrible, I can live with it. I mean, if you're getting exhaust, you want to hear exhaust anyways, so it's not a big deal for me. I love the sound of this engine anyways. But yeah, I mean, it sounds super peppy. AWE exhaust, AWE tuning exhaust, I should say. And this is the first generation of that exhaust. I looked and they do have a second revised version of this exhaust. It looks a little different. I don't know if the sound is any different. And then I also have this paired with a downpipe from RAI Racing or something like that. Last I looked, they don't make that downpipe anymore. But I don't know. I don't know if it added anything. It did add a little bit of tone. I'm not sure about performance. I do have a high flow catalytic converter though. I think it's like 300 cell or something, or 200 cell, I can't remember. But yeah, this is third geared at 2,500 RPMs. Fourth gear, 2,000 RPMs. And I will go get on the freeway so you guys can hear that. Alright, this is going to be a freeway pull. I'm getting on the freeway right now. And this is fifth gear at 2,800 RPMs. It's not too bad. There's no really drone or anything. I just get some street noise from my tires. But it's weird. If I get around like I don't know, 60 miles per hour in fifth gear, this car just gets super droney. Like, let me see if I get it that far down without pissing off everybody behind me. Okay, yeah, right there, around 2,300 RPMs, going 60 miles an hour exactly. It just gets really droney. But I mean, you go faster, you go 70, you go 80, the drone is like completely gone. It's pretty quiet too. I mean, you could have a conversation, but like with that drone, having a conversation with somebody is not fantastic. Went over a bump there. But yeah, it just gets super quiet up top. It's weird, unless you're on it. But I mean, if you're, you know, just have your foot on the throttle and you're just going, and you're up, you know, going about 70 or over, it's actually pretty quiet. Right there, that's pretty much a mild acceleration right here. It's still pretty loud, but again, if you're getting this exhaust, you're wanting to hear it. It is very loud. It's not quiet at all. If you're outside the car, it's gonna be fucking ridiculous. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, this exhaust is really loud. You're not gonna get it, and you know it's not gonna be mild. It's pretty high strung. I love the sound of it personally. I know some people don't like the sound, but personally I do like it a lot. Just that 5-cylinder sound. Not a lot of people have that, except, you know, some of the Mark 6 Golfs, and then of course the guys with the Volvo T5s or whatever engines those are. But yeah, I love it. It's loud, it's fun. It's my play car, so I don't really mind how loud it is. But yeah, cold starts with it, those are really, really, really loud. If you have neighbors who live really close to you and, you know, they complain already about sounds, then they will definitely complain about this. Luckily I don't live in a place like that, and I don't start this car early in the morning. It's mainly just like a weekend car, nice day car, car show car. But yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe. I'm going to be posting some new style of videos, kind of, you know, informing people about cars and stuff like that. But just like educational stuff, I guess. But yeah, I just thought I'd do an update and finally post this video. I think it's been like 8 months since I showed off the car and people started asking for exhaust videos. But yeah, AWE catback exhaust, RAI racing downpipe with a high flow catalytic converter. I like the sound. I hope you guys enjoyed.